Hey everybody, welcome to Canadian Forces Base Comox. Today is January the 15th, 2022, and today is the last operational day for the CC-115 Buffalo search and rescue aircraft, which you see here. The Buffalo has been doing search and rescue for Canada for decades now, and these 50-year-old aircraft are soon to be retired. Today is the last operational flight. So just going to do a quick walk around, and we are here at 442 Squadron, Transport and Rescue Squadron in Comox, British Columbia. It's early morning, so things are just starting to get going. The Buffalo can do short takeoffs and landings, which has made it iconic with Royal Canadian Air Force crews. And it's a beautiful de Havilland design. And the Buffalo here works hand in hand with the CH-149 Cormorant, which is that aircraft there. And you're going to hear that's a test of the crash alarm here at the base. This is the last time you'll see the Buffalo before all of the aircraft end up in museums across the country. And there were 7 that have been operational in recent years. This is the last one, number 452. So that is actually aircraft 115 452.